Hello students, I am your maths teacher Anupam Tiwari. Today we are going to start your new chapter and the chapter is fractional number. So before starting the chapter, let us understand something about fraction. How can you define a fraction? So see, we can define the fraction in the simple term like this. When a whole number is divided into equal part, each part is called as a fraction. Means a whole thing when divided into equal number of subdivision, and when you are combining all these division, you are getting a whole number. So the each division is a part which is known as a fraction. Now this can better be understood with the help of a small figure. See, this whole circle, this full circle is represented as 1. Now this full circle is being divided into 4 parts by these diagonals. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. Now see, I have shaded this portion of the given figure. So how can I represent this part? This part will be represented as 1 upon 4 part. So 1 by 4 part is one of the 4 parts from which you have divided the circle. Means 4th circle is being divided into 4 parts and the circle was 1. We have taken only a 1 part of a circle. Now see, when you are adding up the 4 different subunit, you will be getting the whole unit. This you can see here. This part is 1 by 4. Similarly, the second part is 1 by 4. The third part is 1 by 4. And the fourth part is 1 by 4. When you are adding the 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 parts, the resultant will be 4 by 4. And the answer is 1. Means when you are combining all the subdivision, you are getting a whole part which is the given circle. Now let us understand what is the combination of a fraction, how the fraction is formed. So you can see here, fraction is having 2 numbers. One number is above the line and the another number is below the line. So you can say that fraction combines of 2 things. The first thing is the numerator, that is the number which is above the line is the numerator. Another thing is the denominator. What is denominator? Denominator is the number which is written below the line. So the fraction is a combination of a numerator and a denominator separated by a line in between. Okay? Now further, let us proceed with the different types of fraction. So what are the different types of fraction? Fraction can be divided into 4 different types. The first one is the proper, the second one is the improper, the third one is the mixed, and the fourth one is the unit fraction. Now, how can you understand that the given fraction is proper, improper, mixed or unit? For classification of these, we have some simple techniques by which you can easily understand whether the given fraction is a proper, improper, unit or mixed fraction. See, now here the proper fraction is having the example as 1 by 2. From here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. We can easily see here the numerator is less than the denominator. So the technique to understand whether the given fraction is a proper fraction, we have to check it out whether the numerator is greater or smaller than the denominator. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then the given fraction is proper fraction. In the another case, in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. The example is 5 by 3. The numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, so the given fraction is an improper fraction. Now move up to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of two types of fraction. You are having one number as a whole number and another is a fraction. So mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number, a numerator and a denominator. Now the last type of fraction is the unit fraction. Now as the term states unit means always 1. So those types of fraction which are having the numerator always 1, n is always 1, such type of fractions are known as the unit fraction. Hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you and have a nice day.